The SmartMicroScope 5M is fun and easy to use. Let's walk through the process of using it with the web app. Simply plug it into your Chromebook, PC, or Mac and go to the website smartmicroscopeviewer.com and log in with the credentials that come with your SmartMicroScope 5M. Once you log in, you'll see the live magnified image. As you can see here, we're looking at the gears in a watch. I'll click it to make it full screen to take a closer look. It's really easy to use, so I'm going to take the watch away and replace it with some salt and drop the scope on top. Simply turn the dial to bring it into focus. It can easily be projected for the entire classroom to see. You can take pictures and record videos. The SmartMicroScope 5M comes with curriculum. We have investigations for biology, middle school science, and elementary science. All investigations are in the 5E model and are aligned to the NGSS and many state science education standards. If you go to our website and click on Curriculum, you can see the investigation books we offer, as well as samples of each. Our Learning Portal includes all of these investigation books and is included with each SmartMicroScope 5M. Let's take a look at the middle school investigations in the Learning Portal. Each investigation is accessed by simply clicking on it. It includes student pages that are available in PDF, Word, and Google Doc. If you scroll to the bottom, you can see links to the alignment for the NGSS and many state science education standards. The SmartMicroScope 5M is fun and easy to use, and it gets students excited about learning. Scroll to the top of this page and click Request a Quote or simply Purchase on our website.